Hey signers, winter is here, bringing chilly weather and lots of fun activities. Today we're going to learn 25 ASL signs about winter, from snow and ice to hot chocolate and holidays. These signs will help you share the joys of the season using ASL. So bundle up and let's learn how to sign winter signs. Winter. Winter. Now notice I'm not showing any facial expression with this, because if I did, that would be the sign for cold. So, winter. Snow. Snow. This is showing the snow fluttering to the ground. But if it was a blizzard, you would do this. Snow. Cold. Cold. Now, when you do this sign, you must show that it's cold. Cold. Ice, or ice as in to freeze. Ice, finger spelling it, or flat hands pulling in, showing the water freezing. Ice. December. December. It's abbreviated DEC. December. January. January. It's abbreviated JAN. January. February. February. It's abbreviated FEB. February. Holiday or holiday. You have 5 shaped hands coming up to your armpits. You'll either tap them or move them back and forth. Holiday, holiday. Christmas or Christmas. You have your C hand coming up or your non-dominant hand with it as well. Christmas, Christmas. Hanukkah, Hanukkah. You have the 4 fingers on both hands, and it's representing the menorah. Hanukkah or Hanukkah. Kwanzaa, Kwanzaa. You have 2 index fingers moving out to 3s. Kwanzaa. New Year and New Year's Eve. New is the dominant hand scooping up into your non-dominant with the sign year, and then Eve, you just fingerspell. New Year, New Year's Eve. Santa Claus or Santa Claus. You're making the beard or the beard. Santa Claus, Santa Claus. Reindeer, reindeer. It's the 5 hands for the antlers coming out. Reindeer. Sleigh or sleigh. 2 bent fingers pulling it back, or those X's pulling it back. Sleigh, sleigh. Bell or bell. There are many different hand shapes that can be used, but I prefer the O, bell. Gift or presents. You have 2 X hand shapes, and they're to their side. And it's like you're gifting somebody the present. Gift or present. Ski or skiing. Here are your blades going down the mountain. Ski or skiing. Ice skate. Ice skate. Your hands are representing the blades of the ice skates. Ice skate. Snow man. Snow man. Snowman is snow and man together. Snow man. Fire. Fire. You have 5 shaped hands wiggling and moving up and down, showing the fire blazing. Fire. Hot chocolate. Hot chocolate. The sign hot and chocolate together. hot chocolate. Gloves. Gloves. Your hands are putting on the gloves. Gloves. Scarf. Scarf. It's like throwing the scarf over your shoulder. Scarf. Coat. Coat. It's like you're pulling the coat over your shoulders. Coat. Boots. Boots. It's the sign for shoes, but with bees. Boots. Now let's put these signs into sentences. Do you want some hot chocolate? Hot chocolate want you? Where are my gloves? My gloves? Where? I hope it snows tomorrow. Tomorrow, snow, hope. What are you doing for New Year's Eve? New Year Eve? Do what, you? Fantastic job! You just learned 25 new signs to celebrate winter in ASL. If you are wanting to learn how to sign signs for other seasons, then check out this playlist. And until next time, keep learning how to sign.